He's getting away, man.
Don't worry, boss. I'll get him.
I can't catch up with him. Do you have a visual?
I see him, but I cannot get a good shot. Hey, I just had an idea. We still have his phone number, right? I could send him a text. What good would that do?
What just happened? Did you hit him?
I didn't even take the shot. I think he checked his phone. You know what they say? Don't text and drive, man.